Choosing a Samsung TV requires considering a few key factors to ensure you get the best model for your needs. Start by deciding on your budget, as Samsung offers a wide range of options from affordable to premium models. Next, choose the screen size that fits your room. Larger screens are ideal for bigger spaces, while smaller sizes work well in compact areas. Look for the display technology. Samsung's QLED TVs offer vibrant colors and brightness, making them great for bright rooms, while their Neo QLED models provide even better contrast and 4K 8K resolution. For gaming or fast motion content, check the refresh rate. 120 Hz is ideal, and features like Motion Accelerator ensure the TV runs on Tizen OS, Samsung's smart platform, which is intuitive and supports popular apps. Also, consider connectivity options like HDMI ports and Wi-Fi capabilities. Finally, read reviews and compare warranties to make an informed choice. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.